Hello everyone! My December daily is almost finished. Today I'm going to make the last day of the year 2018 and it's day 31. What I'm going to use is the same lace I used in the front. So I'm going to use that here. Then I have a little card. Well, I don't think I'm going to journal on it, but use it as a bucket, like so. And on this little card I'm going to journal, I think. I'm cutting this off. Don't know why, but I think let's do that. Then I'm punching somehow with a corner punch. I hope it works. My chair. Yes, that works. It's an old punch from the thrift store, but it works, still works. So I could do it that way. Make this a bit smaller, like something like that. Oh, that didn't work. I was afraid of that. I should do it this way. Like this. That's good enough. Oh. That way, honey. Like so. This one, maybe I tuck that under. Well, I glue this on first. I hope it will stick, like always. Oh yes, and of course I wish you all a very, very, very good, happy 2019 with a crafty year, a year with friends, family, good memories of those people which are not among us anymore. Good luck and happiness. I wish you that always. I'm not very good at those things, but I mean it from the heart, that you all will be very happy in the new year. So, I'm going to glue that on. I'll do it that way, yeah. I thought it is nice for old Year's Eve. Now I'm going to etch of ink the corners of the edges. That doesn't go very well. Well, I'm not going to complain anymore that I'm so tired and blah 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 blah. You heard that so often from me, so I'm not going to say that. I'm very happy, that counts. So, going to journal on that. Don't know if I should do something with it. I don't think I do, because it's the back, and well, it shouldn't be too difficult. Number 31. I didn't think about that yet. So maybe I could use the glittery one again. I have a 3 and a 1. Some green tape. No green tape. Gold tape. Small gold tape. Yeah. I'm going to use this first. I hope. I will search for the... Yeah, this is... I didn't use this tape before, I guess, because it's very odd end. Or beginning, I should say. That's no beginning, that's glue. Okay. Ah, here it is. Till the end. Like this. Yeah. Like so. Now this one. Can you see it? Well, that should do. This one, leave it that way. And now 31. 31 on the pockets. So, number 3. And number 1. Like that. And a little flower. I don't have stars anymore. I have 1 star. I have 1 star in gold. So I will put that on the tag or on the journaling card. So it has a bit of interest on it. So, and maybe some sparkles. Keep. Come on. Ah. So, cheers. I wish I had very little numbers, then I should 2019 on here, but I don't have that little numbers. Could do it that. Shall I? 2001. I can make it. Can try it, why not? If I don't like it, I will pull them off again. They are a bit too big, I think, but they are a bit big. 2, 0. One. And the Q. The 9. And a little arrow. So, ooh, it's glittery. Glittery. Well, I think I have it all. Maybe around the corners a bit. Don't know. Oh, here's my corner punch. Oh, you can't see it, but I rounded the corners. So, where is my, oh, there's my little star. Well, this is it. That was my December daily. 31 days. Liked it very much doing it, but it's a lot of work to make a page every day. Though they are simple, but well, it's not only the making of, but also the filming and the editing. Well, I said that before. But I liked it very much, and I hope you liked it too. And I'll see you next time, and again, a very happy New Year. Bye.